to also do it to them.
Yes, so you can also do on your machine in parallel, Krivish. Okay, so I have started the recording now. Let's start. Okay.
Okay.
So we will have a dance competition between a girl and a boy. Okay. So very first thing we are going to select two sprites. So let's select sprite and search for dance
मैं सुनता आपको वो इमोशन नहीं बताया ब्लॉक फाइल
and
Good
select.
morning.
Hi Karan, we just
Good
started.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
What are we going to do
We
today?
are doing a dance competition between a girl and a boy. So Sagarika, select one boy and a one girl.
Okay.
Whichever you like. Okay. And Karan and Krivish, you can select anything that you want. Okay, it's not that you have to select the same. Just select one girl and a boy, whichever you want. Okay, now we will have a backdrop also. Okay, so let's go to the backdrop. Search something for stage. Let's stage. Do we have something called stage?
Okay. Yes, we have.
Okay.
It's in fantasy.
It's not coming for her.
In where? Fantasy.
The second one, just next to all in the fantasy. No, this will not her. No stage. Search for party in the all. Yeah. First select all and then search for party. No, this will not work.
I used to have a stage. I don't know where that is.
Okay, just scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's see if we find something good.
Here?
Concert. This is. Let's scroll down. If we don't find anything, then we'll come over here.
It might be there in music.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, let's select spotlight. Okay, and now reduce the size of both of them. Okay, make it 50-50.
Where will you get this?
You know where to find, right? You have to go to backdrop and
Yeah, that I know, but
yes.
where will we get this backdrop?
You have to search. You have to search for spotlight.
Spotlight.
Okay, so there is a dance competition. So how does the dance competition happen? A boy will dance for 3 seconds. He will wait. Then a girl will dance, right?
Yeah.
That is how it happens, correct? So we are going to make first girl dance. Okay.
Okay.
Now girl is has to face towards the boy.
Okay.
So how we'll do it?
From costumes and
Very good.
clip.
Yes. Let's go to costume. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Very good. First step is done. So we have to start from a particular location, correct? The girl has to stand at a particular location. That means we will first go to this. When our program starts, the girl will start from a particular location.
Okay.
Okay. Then let's make sure as soon as the dance start, I'm just telling, okay, you guys can do whatever you want. You want girl to jump in the air so that you will say change Y. Now scroll down in the motion.
Okay.
Change Y.
Change Y.
Yeah, say change Y by 20.
Okay.
Then give a wait of 0.2 second.
Okay.
And then say change y by -20, because if the girl is jumping up, she has to come down also, right?
Where?
Then put change y -20.
Okay.
And Karan and like Krivish, you can do your coding for boy, right? So just think you have to make a person dance, okay? Then we will do next costume.
Can you put the block a bit on the left side so I can see it?
Oh, okay. Can you see it?
No, the left side. Yeah.
Okay, and then then go to looks and say next costume.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Krivish
my motion block is gone.
is gone. Then it's an internet issue. So just refresh your page and see what is being
Like
displayed.
when we do, there is the cat. When we put it there, and then we take the cat off first when we take a new page.
Wait,
The
Krivish,
cat is there, the cat, and then when we remove it, the motion block goes away.
Krivish, do you have a sprite now?
I have a cat. I refreshed the page.
Oh, you need a sprite for motion block to come.
Okay, now
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Angad.
I was busy making all the scratch while you weren't looking.
Okay, we'll come to you, Angad. We'll just finish one part. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's click on this and see how this girl is behaving. Click. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You are getting it, right? So then again, so now once she has done that, right, we want her to glide somewhere like this.
Okay.
Okay, so just select this girl and make it come at this particular space. Just select it. Now select this girl with your mouse and make it come to this particular place. Yes. Now drag and drop this glide over here. This one. Yes. And after that, do a next costume.
Okay.
And now again run your program to see how this girl is dancing is looking like.
Is it wait
Okay.
for 0.2 seconds?
Yes,
Yeah.
wait for point. Okay. So you are getting the zest of it, right? I just want to make sure you guys get zest of it, correct?
Yeah.
So over here, we can make this girl jump more higher, right? So we will say change y by 20.
Okay. Change Y.
No. So we'll add a new block, right? She has changed the costume. Then we'll add a new block. So you are just adding the dance steps, right? It's not as your imagination that she is going to dance as per your imagination.
Okay.
So let
Change
her
Y
by 40. Let's suppose 40.
Okay.
Now again run your program. Okay, so she is up in the air, right? Now she has to come down also. So change y by -40. Give a wait of some seconds and give change y of -40.
Okay. -40.
Yes. Hi, do we have someone new? Shibans? Can you hear me, Shibans? Okay. Now
He is new, maybe.
Please come again. Someone was talking.
He is new.
Okay, he's new. Okay, so that's why I just wanted to make sure that if I can speak to him. Okay. Hello, Shivbans. Okay. Now run your program again. Okay, run from the top again. Click on the very first thing. Go to X. Yeah. Click over there. Okay. With me?
Yeah.
All right. Now try to put this in a loop. Repeat 10.
Okay.
Okay. And when you say change -40, then again at the very end, right? Let's change the costume again and say next costume.
Okay.
And then we will see, we will play it, and then we'll put a green flag on the top. Put a green flag on the top and go full screen, and let's see how it looks like.
How many seconds was after costume change Y by -20 and down there?
Krimish, up to you. You have to
Yes, sir.
experiment. You can do 0.2, 0.1, 0.3. Okay. So it's up to you. You have to change it to see. Okay. Now, while she is dancing, okay, we should add some music also.
Yeah.
So go to sounds. No, on the code itself.
Okay.
On the code, go to sounds.
Sorry
All right.
to interrupt. His name is Riyansh Bansal.
Hi,
By
Riyansh.
mistake, it's Shiv Bans or something. Yeah, his name
Okay.
is Riyansh.
Hi, Riyansh. So, Riyansh, how old are you?
6, maybe he said.
6 years. Okay, Riyansh. Riyansh, sir, today you can watch what we are doing. Okay. So that next time onward, then you'd be able to catch up. Okay. So today what we are doing, we are trying to write a program where there is a dance competition between a girl and a boy. So we also have Angad with us, who is also 6-year-old. Angad, now you have a friend of your own age.
And I'm making my own scratch thing.
Okay, I'll come to you, Angad. Okay, once you have done that. Okay,
And
so
I finished it.
okay, very good, Angad. All right.
All
Now,
the work is over.
okay. So now just drag and drop the first one, play sound. Okay, and somewhere on the right hand side and put a green flag also on top of it.
Sir, I don't have the dance celebrate option in mine.
Then you will have something
You
else,
have to
right?
select it.
I just have meow and record.
Meow and record. Did you go to the sound or where did you go?
Yes, I'm in the sound. Play sound meow until done.
Click
Only.
on,
How
click on
about
that
you, Karan?
I have this dance celebrate one only.
Okay, you have, right? So, Krivish, just cross check if you are doing the right thing. I'll come to you also, okay? Put a green flag on top of it.
Okay.
All right. So what we want to make sure, whenever green flag is clicked, it should play a sound. Also, girls should dance. Instead of repeat of 10, right? Let's do repeat of 2 only. 10 looks very big, right? Okay. So let her dance for just 2-3 seconds. So now let's go full screen. And let's see. Very nice. Okay. Now we can hear the noise also. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But last time we were not able to hear.
Yeah.
Angad,
No, I
did you?
cannot hear mine.
I can hear. Angad, you
No.
were able to hear or not?
I heard a cat.
In language. That's me.
Sorry?
That's me.
Sir,
Yes.
I cannot hear mine.
You cannot hear. Okay. So let Karan share the screen. Similarly, now let's do one thing. Sagarika, you can code for the boy. Okay. So whatever you feel like. Okay. So you can now code for the boy.
Sir, I got everything under control. It was mine. It was my thing which I made. It was mine. So I had to decrease it. So
Okay.
the
You have.
same way which you call when you're doing something else, the same way I did it.
Okay. Angad, just let me look into what Karan is doing. I'll come to you. Yes, Karan, tell me.
Yeah, there is no sound coming here.
You're not able to. Then there is some issue. Change some other sounds. Just record your voice and see. You can hear your own recorded voice. It's a could be the thing with your laptop also. The speaker is. Just say something and you're able to hear something or
Yeah,
not?
I can hear it.
Okay, then let's play this sound only for the time being. Then it could be the issue with some speaker. Okay, but later on you can experiment by creating another sound as such. Okay, you're able to hear?
No.
No.
Through recording two, maybe that's the problem. Try recording two.
And Karan, your dance is very bad, man. She is only on the air. That's very bad. How have you coded it? You have to improve it, right? She has to be on the ground, right?
Yeah.
So let's look at your dance as such. What you are doing? Go back to that girl. So she has to start from y equal to change y by 20. Then if she's jumping up, she has to come down also, right? So you said change y by 20, correct?
Yes.
So she jumped up. Then she has to come down. So this should be minus 20, correct?
Yes.
No, the first one would
I
be
forgot
20.
to put.
Yes. Minus 20. Then glide is okay. Next costume, change y by 40. That's okay. Do one thing over here. Give one more next costume. And when
Where?
you are after you say change y by minus 40, give a new costume. Okay.
It's minus 22.
Okay.
In
And
the guide
wait.
one.
And okay, now it looks much better. And do one thing. This wait of 1 second is too big. Okay. Wait of 1 second, 2 second. Make it 0.1 second, 0.2 second, so that it looks like a very fast dance, right? Make it 0.2.
Yeah.
Sir, it is minus 22 in the Y.
Minus
22. Like in the X it's 40, in the Y it's minus 22.
where are you seeing minus 22? Because I am seeing
Glide.
20 only.
In the glide one.
Glide it is okay. Glide it is okay because you want that girl to move to that particular position. That's okay.
Oh.
See, Y is going up and down. Okay. Glide is if you just want to glide to a particular location, then you'll make use of glide. Okay. Now, Sagarika, can we come back to you?
Yeah.
Can you see mine?
Yeah, Krivish, tell me. Show me yours, Krivish. Hello, Rayansh. You are getting something, Rayansh? Okay, so you're making cat dance. Okay. Now scroll up. Let me see the code that you have. Let me see the code that you have.
Too big. Yeah, I know it's too big. I can't make it. Enormous.
Yes, because he likes it big, right? That's why he has done that. Okay.
And everything is medium. And small.
Okay. So very first thing you are saying, go to a particular location, change y by 20. then wait for 0.2 second. If this cat is up in the air, correct? You said
Oh, I
change
don't
y by
want
20. Sorry.
I forgot to
Yes,
choose
the cat has
sprite.
to come down also, right?
But I forget to choose the sprite.
Go to dance.
No, it's okay. That cat can also dance, right? So that's okay. The important is to know how to code it. So now let's look at the coding that you have done. You're saying change y by 20. That means cat has jumped up, correct?
Yes.
Then you're waiting. That's good. Then let this cat come down also, right? So we'll say again change y. After this, wait 2 seconds. You'll say change y by minus 20.
Here.
Yes, because that cat has to come down, right?
Okay, 1 second. In motion, right?
Yes, motion.
Where is it?
Just search change y. Yes, by minus 20.
Minus 20 is down here.
No, that's okay. But this cat has to come down, right? First, you are making cat jump up by 20. So let that cat come down also. Then change the costume of that cat. Then you are gliding. Okay, that's okay. Then then this is not required. Change y by minus 20. Just remove that. Then you are waiting for 1 second. Okay, don't wait for 1 second means a lot of wait you are doing. Just wait for 0.2 second or 0.3 second. Over here, make wait for, okay, 0.2. Then again do a next costume.
Here.
Yes,
Now.
okay. Now let's click over there. Click on everything and see how your cat is working. All right.
Still too slow going up and down.
Yes, so now you need to start experimenting with everything, right? You have to
And-
make cat
and-
go X, Y.
I put a forever block, right?
No, for forever, then the cat will get tired, right? Why forever?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I
So
put if there?
not if is not required.
No, then
So
which?
tell me like, so think about it. When you dance, what you do? You go up, you go down, you go to your left, you go to your right, correct? That is how you dance,
Yeah.
correct? So over here you have went up, here you went down. You did not go to the left and right. That means we have to change X also.
So what blocks should I keep here now?
So we have used change Y. So we will now use change X. With using change X, your cat will go to left and right.
Okay.
Okay.
Change X.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So I have to drop off. I have another meeting, but I just want to make sure you guys should know how to dance. Okay. So all you have to use is change X, Y, and next costume. Put some time break in between, and then have a competition between two people. Okay. So one person will dance for 5 seconds. He will wait. Then the next person will dance. Okay.
Everyone look in your screens. I'm going to do something.
Okay, Angad, you can share. Okay.
Share your screen.
Wow, Angad, what is this? Oh, it's speaking also, Angad. How you have done that?
I can't hear.
He was play it again.
I can't hear it.
Can you guys hear or not?
No, I can't
No,
hear.
we cannot hear.
Everyone, there's a special block just I found.
It
These two new ones.
added from
are
this
special.
thing.
I
Wait,
want to know where do I get from? There will be a code
he
plus
added
one. There's
from
a lot
that.
of them.
I
And
know
show
here.
those two.
We added from here.
Should I show you how that's how we buy them, and it's very. I learned it from a video. I'm
Okay.
a higher level than all of you.
Okay, Angad,
for
thank you
primary
again.
level.
So we will meet again on Friday now. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Sir, can we all do
Continue. Yeah.
So I think this meeting will get over in next 6 minutes, right? So do you have any other tool to connect?
Yeah. I can make a new meeting.
Okay, then you guys can continue, but continue on the same topic. Okay, about the dance one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
So
Friday
you
we.
people come now.
Before we
I'll
just wanted to
I'll
check
send it in.
since Riyansh is new.
Uh-huh. Hello.
Yeah, hi Deepika. Just wanted to check since Riyansh is new. So is there any link which you will forward to practice what we learned today?
So what I do after every meeting, I share a recording. Okay. So that you can look at the recording. So what we are using right now, we are using Scratch, which is a free tool. If you just search on Google for Scratch, you will get this URL. Okay. So over there,
Okay.
then you can go and practice. So probably it will take 1 or 2 hours to get used to it. Okay. Because we have got Angad who is 6 years, then we have got Sagarika who is 11. Okay. So most of the people are like, but having the same knowledge of the Scratch. So Rayan shall be able to pick up within a day or two time. Okay. If not, then I can have another session with him to make sure he knows what we are doing. Does that help?
Karan, who
Right.
are you going to take in the invite? Who are you going to take? Because you don't have from Angat.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, then good evening and I'll talk to you again on Friday. Okay. I have to jump for next meeting. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Hello.